Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make an image black and white in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Docs app, then go to the insert menu, then go to the image option and click upload from computer. Now I am select the image, then click open. Then select the image and go to the image option, then click recolor, then click no color drop down menu, down, then click black and white. Here you can see make an image black and white in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.